Hi friends, thanks for clicking and welcome to Easy English channel. In today's session we are going to talk about active and passive voice WH questions. In this session friends, I would like to tell you how to convert WH questions from active voice into passive voice. So let's start with today's sessions friends. Before beginning with the session friends, I would like to remind you that if you have not subscribed Easy English channel, do subscribe Easy English channel to get latest videos on your screen. So let's begin with today's session friends. In this session friends, following topics will be covered: passive voice of W family, WH family, that means I would tell you what is WH family and how it has to be converted, then rules of changing passive voice of W family, parts of WH questions, examples, and at last you will get an exercise. You have to solve the exercise and then you will get answers. You can check your answers and check your information of conversion of WH questions from active voice into passive voice. So WH words friends, what are WH words? WH words are the combination of WH characters. Those come in the form of who, whom, what, which, when, why, where. These questions are generally asked to get the information about someone and something. So WH questions are generally asked from someone to get any kind of information. Normally it comes in the beginning of active and passive voice sentence and followed by helping verbs of the sentence in interrogative sentence. So WH questions or WH words are totally separate from rest part of the sentence, that you will see in the coming slide how these WH family words are totally separate from the rest of the sentence. They would not change from the rest of the sentence, and rest of the part will change according to the tense. Now let me just get you familiar with the rules of changing WH questions from active into passive voice. First rule is separate WH family words. What you have to do is that you have to separate WH words. That means you have to separate what, where, when, how. These words you have to separate from rest of the sentence. Change the rest of the sentence as per the rules of tense. You have to first of all figure out the tense of the rest of the sentence and then change accordingly from active into passive. Then add W family words in the beginning of the changed passive voice part sentence. So you have to always put WH family words at the beginning of the sentence to make a correct question. Fourth rule, all the WH family words remain unchanged except two words friends. Who is replaced by words by whom and whom is replaced by who. So it is a tip you have to remember: who is only changed by whom and whom is changed by who. Rest of the words are same. Now look at the conversion from active into passive voice with WH questions. So as you can see on the screen, WH family words are written with an example. The example is, what are you buying for New Year's Eve? So here WH word is what and rest of the sentence is, are you buying for New Year's Eve? Now I have separated these two parts of the sentence. WH word, that means what, is a separate part, and are you buying for New Year's Eve is a separate part. Now the complete sentence becomes like this: what are you buying for New Year's Eve? And the conversion is, what is being bought by you for New Year's Eve? So first friends, you have to separate the verb. Now check the tense. This is a present continuous tense, that's why I have used being, being, and I am talking about a single thing or singular noun, that's why I have used is. So what are you buying for New Year's Eve? The conversion of passive voice is, what is being bought by you for New Year's Eve. This is how you have to change the question. And don't forget to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Basic format of the sentence will not change. Remember friends, whenever you convert from active into passive voice, basic form or root form of the sentence will not change. If it is in the interrogative form or WH question form, it will remain in the interrogative form. Just you have to change the tense, and WH word will remain the same except who and whom. Now look at the few examples which will help you out to clear your concept of WH questions. What will you discuss with your fiancé? What will be discussed with your fiancé by you? Here fiancé means a partner to whom you are going to marry. What is making him to break the contract? What is being made to break the contract by him? Friends, I would like to just make you remember that whenever you convert from active into passive, you have to always use third form of the verb in any of the tense, in any of the sentence. So now let's continue. What are you suggesting him at this stage? What is being suggested at this stage by you to him? Which car do you drive? Which car is driven by you? Which film did you like most? Which film was liked most by you? So these are a few examples friends on the screen which you can see, and you can convert from active into passive. Here you can observe, or you can see that all the WH questions have been put at the beginning of the sentence to make a correct question, and rest of the sentence has been changed as per their corresponding tense. So for this conversion from active into passive, you have to be firm with your tense also. What are the conversion rules of tense? If you know the rules properly, you can easily convert WH questions of active into passive voice. You have to just separate the WH words and change the rest of the sentence from active into passive as per their corresponding tense. Now friends, as you can see, there are some examples of exercise on your screen. Just read those examples and try to convert them from active into passive voice. Don't forget to separate WH words from the rest of the sentence and then change it, and at the end of the sentence you have to put a question mark to complete WH question. I hope friends you have read all the questions and you might have solved all the questions. Now look at the answers and just check your answers whether they are correct or not. These are the answers. Please check your answers friends, and I just read it for you. Why is she liked by you? Why is he being laughed by them? Where was the car parked by her? What was brought by your mother? When your debts will be repaid by you? When your letter was replied by him? So friends, you have solved the exercise. I hope you have understood the concept of conversion of WH questions from active into passive. I hope you have enjoyed the session friends. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe Easy English channel to get latest videos on your screen. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.